Dear students, in previous lectures, we have studied type of diseases, their classes as according to the duration and according to the regions. Diseases according to the regions are again divided as hereditary diseases and acquired diseases. These acquired diseases are again classified as infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. Non-infectious diseases which do not occur through infection and body contact are called non-infectious diseases or non-communicable diseases. Such diseases are in human body itself due to the certain reasons, and name of the diseases are cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as a cancer. Group or a lump of cancerous cells is called as a malignant tumor. Cancer can occur in various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, and tissue like blood. Reasons of a cancer: consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content in a food as fruits and leafy vegetables, excessive consumption of junk food, that is pizza and burger, are some of the many possible reasons. Heredity may also be the reason. Symptoms of a cancer: chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scare and inflammation, lumps in the breast, unexplained weight loss. Modern diagnosis and treatment of a cancer. Various techniques like a CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy are used in a diagnosis of a cancer. In case of a treatment, along with the conventional methods like a chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and surgery, modern techniques like a robotic and a laparoscopy surgery are also followed. Dear students, remember always that controlled diet helps to prevent some type of cancers. Physical exercise along with modern treatment is more beneficial to cure the cancer. Avoid addiction like tobacco chewing, smoking, etc. Diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas controls the level of sugar glucose in blood. If insulin is secreted in a low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. Symptoms which we cannot be ignored, that is frequent urination at night, increased obesity or weight loss. Reasons for diabetes: heredity, obesity, lack of physical exercise, and mental stress. Preventive measures for the diabetes: following the proper diet, medicines, and exercise under the supervision of a doctor helps to keep the diabetes under control. Do you know, students, India has largest number of diabetes patients in the world. At present, approximately 7 crore diabetes patients are present in the country. Heart diseases. Efficiency of the heart decreases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and a nutrient supply to the heart muscle. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads to the stress on it. This may cause a heart attack. If someone has a heart attack, immediate consultation of a doctor and treatment is necessary. Symptoms of a heart attack: severe chest pain, pains in shoulder, neck and arms, cramps in hand, uneasiness, tremors. Reasons of heart attack: smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, and anxiety. Dear students, always remember that each disease has a specific scientific reason. Diseases do not occur due to the divine curse or hating by anyone. Diseases can be cured by proper medical treatment and not by the chanting mantras or performing magic tricks. First aid for the heart disease. First, call 108 for ambulance. Check the consciousness of a patient by shaking the shoulders. Keep the patient lying on the back in horizontal position on hard surface and perform compression, only life support. In this, press the center of thorax for at least 30 times at the rate of 100 to 120 strokes per minute.